Okay, today we're here at Burger King to try their new BK Royal Crispy Chicken Sandwiches. And this one is the spicy one. There are 3 versions. So there's spicy, bacon and Swiss, and I think a barbecue one. Ooh, look at all that. Look at all that spicy sauce on there. How can I? Okay, it looks like one of those brioche type buns. Looks like there's is this mayo or is this? Tastes just like mayo. And then there's lettuce, tomatoes, the chicken patty, lots of sauce, and more. Looks like more it might be like a chipotle mayo or something. So let me just try the sauce. Well, the sauce is gritty. Starts off sweet, but oh man, that kicks a punch there. Let me see. Okay, so it's not as messy as this. Okay, hopefully I don't get it all over myself. Oh, it soaked it to the bun. That's a very gritty sauce. I could see the gritty pieces of whatever they use. Yeah, you can feel the spicy heat all over my tongue, in the back of my throat. Let me try the chicken. Chicken's pretty moist. Trying the sauce by itself is, I think, harder than eating the sauce with the sandwich. But it's still pretty hot. I still feel it all throughout my mouth. A little bit in my ear canals. But it's not quite at my highest level yet. But it is building a little too. Wait, let me take one more bite. I think I'll give it, for fast food place, I'm going to give it an A. The chicken is pretty moist. That sauce is pretty hot too. And then I like the brioche bun and all the other things in it. But yeah, for a spicy sandwich, this one is pretty spicy. So yeah, if you want a spicy chicken sandwich, come on to BK Burger King. Get this. It may not be here for, I'm pretty sure, a limited time item, so you want to come and get it pretty soon. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.